students, and welcome to class. Today we're going to be looking at this channel by Mr. Beast, where supposedly he is going to be showing us how he built a chocolate factory, and we're going to assume that it's vegan, right?
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how.
So many of you guys love Mr. Beast. He has 105 million followers. Let's just see if this video is going to be any good.
I recreated Willy Wonka's chocolate factory in real life. And
Oh, let's hope it's vegan.
one of these 10 people is gonna walk away with this chocolate factory.
I wonder how many of those people are vegan.
In we go.
Is it just me or are they all men? Look like they were all men. Oh, but then again, you just never know. It could be a bunch of women dressed like men. Today, you just can't tell. Anyway, that's for another video.
Welcome to my wonderful creation.
Okay, your wonderful creation. Seems like a lot of candy there.
Oh my gosh, it is.
I wonder if all of those candies are vegan. I hope so, because most candies that are the chewy types, like gummy bears and so on, have something in there called gelatin, and gelatin comes from violence. So I hope that all those candies are vegan. Are they? Gelatin is a protein obtained by boiling the skin, tendons, ligaments, and bones of cows or pigs. Well, we don't really know. Hopefully he's going to say vegan candies from now on, but let's just keep going and watching the video.
Here, look at the river.
It's a chocolate door. Oh, he's taking a bite out of our door.
That's good. These things.
Is that vegan? You didn't say vegan chocolate. Is there cow's milk in there? There better not be.
Contestants are all here because they found a golden ticket when they bought one of our Feastable bars.
For our
What kind of bars were they? Are they vegan chocolate bars? You didn't say vegan. X. My paper here. X to you. You didn't say vegan. That's several times you didn't say vegan, Mr. Beast. X. Not too happy so far.
first challenge, we're gonna play hide and seek. You have 1,000 seconds. Go hide. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, okay, we gotta go high. Let's go, let's go. Oh, look at this Coca-Cola. Oh my gosh.
Did he just say Coca-Cola? Why is he promoting something that's not healthy? Why is he not promoting soy milk or oat milk? X! Come on, Mr. Beast.
In the grocery store, you can decide not to buy cow's milk anymore. In the grocery store, you can sing this song, and you can decide to be vegan from now on.
You can do better than this.
Oh, yo, dude, it's a marshmallow area.
Marshmallows are not vegan. They contain gelatin, unless those are Dandy's brand. Dandy's is a vegan brand. And you know what? Come to think of it, we do not have a vegan marshmallow song yet. So we gotta write one, okay? Okay, everybody get your ukuleles. Come on, get them. Yeah, and remember, if you don't have a pick, you can use this thing. You know, we have them here in Canada that we put on bread bags. Anyway, all right, get your ukuleles out. How hard can it be? Oh, sorry, I banged you. How hard can it be? All right, let's say we start on a G, a C, and a D. You can pretty much write anything with that. All right. So we want it to be a song to Mr. Beast. Let's see. We're going to talk about Dandy's marshmallows. So it could go something like, Dandy's marshmallows are vegan. Mr. Beast should eat them. Dandy's marshmallows are vegan, and Mr. Beast should promote them. Dandy's marshmallows are vegan, and he should eat them. So do you like that version? Do you like that sort of quieter part there at the end? Or should it just be like super loud, like, Dandy's marshmallows are vegan, and everybody should eat them. Dandy's marshmallows are vegan, and everybody should eat them. That's the one problem when you don't have a regular pick. It can sometimes get stuck in the strings. You know, this thing got stuck in there. Anyway, that's the song. Let's try and sing it really nicely this time, okay? Ready? Here we go. Dandy's marshmallows are vegan, and Mr. Beast should eat them. Dandy's marshmallows are vegan, and Mr. Beast should promote them. Yeah! Yeah. Well, something like that anyway. All right, good job, boys and girls. Put away your ukuleles. Oh, I guess we're not even allowed to say boys and girls anymore. Ah, bleep. Too bad. Saying it anyway. All right, let's continue.
Let's go this way.
Now, I don't know what's going on here.
Nobody's hiding in here.
I don't know. This
We
is
found
just...
this really awesome hiding spot.
There's something about hiding.
I call it the candy wall of death.
The
Sounds
candy wall of death. Did you make sure that it is vegan candy? You didn't say vegan candy. X!
scarier than it is. Yes, welcome.
So tall.
Welcome to the rock wall.
I gave Chris a gong.
The last person up the candy wall is eliminated.
Contestants, are you ready?
Yeah!
Go!
Go, go, go!
Okay. Oh, we already have someone fall. Oh, bro, that guy is getting up there quick.
Are you all right, sir?
Appreciate it, Stanley.
Let's go, get up there!
How does he know how to climb candy?
Ah!
What'd you say?
Ah!
Okay.
For a chocolate
This
factory!
ain't no normal prize. This is a whole factory. Ring the button. Ring the button. Okay, now.
Yes, sir!
There you go.
Again!
Oh, I cannot.
Remember, our chocolate factory is on the line. Actually, the chocolate factory you're climbing.
You gotta press the red button.
I don't know. I don't know. Is it just me or is this boring?
Find something else in your leg.
Don't let a Reese's Pieces cost you a
Reese's Pieces are not vegan. X! Recess time! Yes! I love recess time. Perfect. Everybody grab your vegan snacks. I got a banana here. What do you guys have? Eating any kale? Chia seeds? Hemp seeds? Whatever you have, it's totally fine as long as it's vegan, okay? No eggs, no dairy, no milk. Don't want to hurt the baby cows. Don't drink cow's milk. Terrible. Do you think that Mr. Beast even knows what's going on? The dairy cows? Has he ever watched Dairy is Scary?
Who would have thought a river made of chocolate is not very practical?
And now that she's gone, pair up into groups of two. Is everyone happy with their...
Do you really think that they wasted chocolate, or do you think it's just brown water? You shouldn't be wasting any kind of food. You shouldn't be taking, especially if this has milk in it. Imagine that. You steal the milk from the cows, you put it into the chocolate, then you put it in this ginormous river thing. X! No, I'm not happy about that. Stop wasting food, Mr. Beast. Who's going to want to eat it after a boat has been in it?
partners? Yeah! All right, next challenge. And now we have the two greatest eaters in the world. Get out the way.
Excuse me.
Matt Stoney and Joey Chestnut.
Greatest eaters? Oh, are they going to be eating kale? Broccoli? What do you think they're going to be eating? Vegan pizza?
Broccoli, green peppers, mushrooms, tomatoes, artichokes, vegan meat, vegan cheese. Ta-da! It's vegan pizza.
Or maybe it's going to be vegan lasagna. Yeah.
La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna. La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna.
I don't really see what everybody sees in Mr. Beast, but let's just keep watching. Maybe I'm missing something. Let's see where it's going.
And they're going to demonstrate the next challenge. Bring out the chocolate! Not this chocolate. This is our chocolate bars that you can order online.
And we have
What do you mean, don't bring out the chocolate that you can order online? What is this? Is one of those vegan? Is the one that you are giving them to eat right now vegan? Is it yes or no?
2 brand new Feastable bars, milk chocolate, and
What? What? Milk chocolate. Milk chocolate comes from a cycle of violence where little baby boy cows are ripped away from their mothers. Mr. Beast, are you okay with rape? Raping of these mothers and fathers? Do you not know what they do in the dairy industry? The males are masturbated. They are forced to give their sperm. It is inserted into the female. She is raped. That is sexual assault. After that, when the babies are born, if they are boys, they are murdered. Their necks are cut off. Are you okay with that? Then stealing the milk that belongs to them? The fuck is wrong with you?
And sea salt.
Can you show us how to speed eat this?
Absolutely, yeah.
Hey, all you guys.
No. X. Mr. Beast, I'm going to fail you right now. Just the fact that you're getting people to speed eat a product that comes from so much violence. You fail. Goodbye.
Look in the mirror and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things. Never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who has ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. Break old habits you had for years. Save animals from so much terror and tears. Train yourself to always be in the mood to only buy healthy vegan food. Sing this song and declare it. I'll be vegan from now on. Declare put your hand on your heart and sing it loudly. Today is the day I will start. I'll be vegan from now on.
Subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos about Mr. Beast.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's